Hello, my name is Keaton Stanbrook, and I want to talk to you today about how teachers should provide more hands-on learning in the classroom rather than just assigning online assignments. As the world becomes more and more dominated by technology, teachers change their teaching styles to more online assignments. While online assignments have their benefits, they should not be a primary source of teaching. Students, I believe, learn better with hands-on learning and need hands-on learning to actually retain information. When students physically participate in things such as group projects or a class experiment, they retain more information. A Harvard University study found the students in active learning environments actually performed better than those in lecture-based classrooms, even if they felt like they learned less. This shows that students' feelings about how learning doesn't always line up with their progress. Online assignments, a lot of the time, just feel like you're clicking through, just trying to get tasks done rather than learning anything from the assignment. While hands-on learning teaches critical thinking and problem solving. Hands-on science education helps students learn to hypothesize, experiment, and analyze. This is from the National Math and Science Initiative. These skills go beyond the classroom. They're important in your everyday life. Not all students learn the same way. There are many different types of ways of learning, such as visual learners, auditory, and there are many of them that are hands-on learning. Online assignments usually cater towards readers and more tech-savvy people, but hands-on learning are for those who need movement or physical activity to really understand concepts. This is from structural learning. Although online schooling is much more flexible, it often has little interaction and depth that you would get from hands-on learning. The University of Illinois Springfield explains that online programs may lead to lower engagement and reduced social interactions, both of which hinder learning. Another major issue with online learning is the fact that some people might not always have the same opportunities and things available to them that other people have, such as faster Wi-Fi or a newer or better computer to actually run the things they need for schooling. Teen Vogue reported that low-income students were more affected by distance learning, which increased the educational gap. Hands-on projects in class can help close that gap by giving students equal opportunities to learn and actually retain information. Finally, hands-on learning helps students apply what they've learned to real-world scenarios and situations, whether it be building something in shop class or making business models in economics. Doing so makes learning more relevant. Arduino education highlights how hands-on education improves student confidence, motivation, and real-world readiness, which I think should be the main priority of the school system anyway. To actually help students grow and learn, teachers need to do more than just assign online work. They need to provide opportunities for every student to learn in their own way, which fits them the best, rather than just sticking to one thing that they believe works. And to make sure they grow not only as students, but as people. Thank you for your time, and I'm sorry that I am kind of hiding behind my presentation. It's the only way I could actually set it up at my house. Thank you.